Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing DIY nails. I was actually excited filming this video for y'all just because I've been doing this on myself for a while. It's not hard, it's just it takes patience, especially because you're doing it yourself. But if you want to learn how to do these DIY nails, then keep on watching. So probably you already have this at home, but I bought this little cute grooming set at Burlington for $4.99, and it comes with the little clippers, the cuticle cutter, and the tweezers, and the little file. Before I start doing anything, I'm gonna clean my nails by filing all of my nails, and then I'm gonna push my cuticles before I cut them, and then I get the cuticle cutter, and then I just start cutting all my little cuticles. The nails that I'll be using are from Kiss long tip. I think there's more sizes. There's medium, short, and long. I chose the long ones because I like long nails. But we're just going to measure each nail to our real nail, and then I'll just place them on the table before we glue them. I got mine from CVS at the last minute because I ordered some from AliExpress. They were clear, but they were horrible. They were just horrible. Before I started the video, but you can get these at Walmart for way cheaper, for like $5, and it comes with the glue, and it's actually really good. And you just glue these like under your nail and then just push it, and then it actually dries fast, so you don't really have to worry about like the nail slipping out. But you just push it and then just wait like a couple seconds. This glue doesn't take long to dry, so that's a good thing about it. And then I just continue to glue the nails on my real nails, and that's pretty much it. So I'm done gluing them, and now I'm gonna get my big clippers and I'm gonna just cut the length. So whenever you're done cutting your length, get some scissors. Any kind of scissors will do. I got these small scissors, and I just start cutting the little corners just so it can be easier to file the shape afterwards. And then I just do the same thing on all of my nails. I did my right hand off camera just because I wanted to keep this video a little bit more shorter, but you do the same thing. So I'm gonna get the nail file so I can start shaping the nails. The reason why I cut the corners because I was going for like a coffin shape, and it's way easier to shape the nail if I cut the little corners instead of like doing it myself, because it'll be more work. And then I just do that all over the nails, and then yep. And then this is the shape of the nails that I'm pretty much going for. So now that we're done, just get any nail polish that you like. I got this one from Wet n Wild. I really like the color, and then you just apply it all over your nails. I did 2 top coats and 1 clear. So this is how they look like after I finish both hands. And then I ordered some rings from AliExpress. I think they were like $150, $160, somewhere around there. And then yeah, this was the final look. I did a decent job for doing it myself, but I think they look pretty good. But yeah, thank you for watching, and let me know if you like these kind of videos.